Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Philips with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings, and after that firstly we need to locate power button, and power button located at the top of the right ear cup. Here we go, right here we have it, and you need to press and hold this power button until this LED light start flashing blue and white. And now we have it. So we just entered pairing mode, and now we can connect these headphones with a MacBook. You need to click the connect near to your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!